In this video, we're going to create the survey base map or the FieldBook design file to use for processing our survey data. So I'm using the survey training data set, the 96213 project, and there's a 300 survey folder, and this is where all the survey information will be contained. In this folder, there's a base maps folder, and I currently don't have any design files there. And under survey data, under field data, raw data, I do have some different CSV files that I've copied in here. And we're going to process the MRW 314 2057 topo scale CSV file. So to do that, I need to create a base map. And to create the base map, I'm going to use an ODOT application to do that. And we'll do that from a seed file. So I need to open a design file in order to use that create file application. And I'm going to use a seed file as a starting point. So I'll use the open with option just to make sure that it's associated to OpenRoads Designer Connect with the always use this program option. And I'll OK that. And if you've already done that assignment, you can just double click on the file to open it. And once OpenRoads Designer is open my seed file, I'll use the ODOT application to create the new design file. Okay, to create files using the ODOT application, I'm going to change my workflow to the Ohio DOT workflow. And I'll choose the Create Design Files icon. And this brings up the application. I'm not going to explain everything about this application. There's a good help file for that and a video for that if you want to check those out. What I like to do is just kind of expand the category field just a little bit so I can look at the filter. And I'm going to filter this by looking at only survey files. So I'll pick survey in the list. And the filter is not applied because this allows selecting multiple disciplines. So what I need to do is just left click off of the filter and it will be applied then. So I'm going to go ahead and create a FieldBook file by checking that on. And it's going to create this file in the 300 survey folder, base maps. And it's going to name it with the PIN number _ FieldBook FB001. And I can assign a comment to that. So I'll just give this the MRW 314 prefix, and this is the topo survey. So comments are user defined, whatever you want to put in there to describe the file. I'm going to use a 1 to 20 as my starting scale for my annotation scale, and then it's showing me it's going to use the seed 3D file to create that, and we do want to use the 3D file. So I'll go ahead and hit Create Files, and the file is created, and then I can go ahead and open that file. So from the file icon here, I will go ahead and browse, and I'm going to browse to our 300 survey folder under base maps, and I will open that file. And it will ask me to check the seed file back in, so I'll go ahead and check that back in. And now I have a FieldBook file ready to go ahead and process my survey data.